To measure the lengths of the femur and tibia and the femoral-tibial angle on an X-ray image, click the Goniometric measurement button in the Show Measurements submenu, accessible from the toolbar, or by right-clicking on the image. Drag the left mouse button from the center of the femoral head to draw a circle around it. Next, drag the left mouse button to draw a segment through the center of the knee. Finally, drag the left mouse button to draw a segment at the level of the ankle joint. The system will automatically draw the femur axis and the tibia axis. The lengths of the femur and tibia axes and their combined length will be displayed in millimeters. The angle between them will be displayed in degrees. If necessary, drag the labels to reposition them. To adjust the measurement, click on it and drag one of the segment endpoints or circle markers. To move the measurement, drag it to a new position. To remove the measurement, click on it and press the Cancel key. Alternatively, click the Remove Measurements button in the Show Measurements submenu to delete all unsaved measurements from the current image series. Unsaved measurements remain available only for the duration of the session.